Hi, the City of Raleigh is looking to implement safety improvements to Lake Boone Trail between the I-440 and Ridge Road. Brian Rothroffy is serving as the city's project manager for this project, and the design services are being completed by A. Morton Thomas and Associates. The project is located along Lake Boone Trail between westbound I-440 ramps and Ridge Road. The limits are shown in red on this map. Today, the corridor is a 4-lane undivided street without any turn lanes. There are limited opportunities for pedestrians crossing, and bike facilities are currently shared with vehicle travel lanes. The existing pavement conditions also require a new pavement treatment. The purpose of the project is to improve safety for all users along the corridor by implementing a road diet east of the I-440 interchange. These improvements will reduce the number of conflict points for vehicle movements, add buffered on-street bike lanes, and a median refuge. Other improvements will include a new asphalt pavement treatment and curb ramp upgrades to the ADA standard facilities. There will also be upgrades to traffic signals at the westbound I-440 ramps and Ridge Road. Now let's talk about the project's challenges. The high traffic volumes utilizing the eastbound I-440 ramps, narrow street width, and the limited spacing between the eastbound I-440 ramp and Horton Road prevent the road diet extending between the I-440 ramps. Project design for the eastbound I-440 ramp intersection maintains the same 4-lane section between the I-440 ramps, but modifies the existing lane utilization as it transitions to the road diet east of the eastbound I-440 ramps. Moving eastbound on Lake Boone Trail, the inside lane will be changed to a left turn only lane for eastbound I-440 ramp, leaving the outside lane as a through movement. Moving westbound on Lake Boone Trail, the signal lane for the road diet section will become the only through movement, while eastbound I-440 off-ramp has a dedicated lane to turn into. Vehicles exiting the eastbound I-440 loop ramp will still need to yield to cyclists and pedestrians at this location. Immediately east of the eastbound I-440 ramp, a new median with a protected refuge island will be installed for pedestrians crossing Lake Boone Trail, either to and from the relocated bus stops or to access House Creek Trailhead at Horton Street. The project's design from Stillwater Drive to Ridge Road looks a little different. At Stillwater Drive, the roadway will become a 3-lane section with a center turn lane to maintain access to and from residents along the corridor. This section will include a buffered bike lane, with the majority of the buffering being 3 feet, but will widen as you get closer to Ridge Road. The other major change is a median that will restrict left turns in and out of Thomas Road due to a safety analysis and limited sight distance both vertically and horizontally. Vehicles can still utilize Stillwater Drive to make left turns. Once east of I-40, there are 2 distinct road diet sections. Please note that all sections stay within the existing curb and gutter, and that the sidewalk and space between the sidewalk and gutter will remain the same as it does today. Between eastbound I-440 and Stillwater Drive, there will be a 2-lane road with a 4-foot pavement marker buffer between driving lanes. And between Stillwater Drive and Ridge Road, there is an additional space which allows for an 11-foot center turn lane. This project underwent a virtual open house and a pre-designed touchpoint last summer to receive initial comments on the proposed planning. Once the current design touchpoint input was received and taken into consideration for revisions, the project will schedule a presentation to City Council for this spring. We anticipate construction to begin during the winter of 2023 and will provide another public touchpoint prior to construction. The city's next step is to finalize all design aspects and coordinate with NCDOT concurrent approval process for utilization of federal funding. This includes the preparation of environmental and categorical exclusion documents. Now let's look at the project schedule. We are currently at the design touchpoint, which will run the next couple weeks and will be followed by the City Council presentation late this spring. Once design is finished, the city will advertise and award the contract from the fall of 2022. The pre-construction public touchpoint, followed by the notice to proceed for construction, is tentatively scheduled for winter of 2023. Construction is expected to take 6 months and will be completed during the summer of 2023. The total estimated project cost is $1.57 million. The city was awarded an FY22 LAP grant for the project in the amount of $1.02 million dedicated toward construction funding, which is 80% of the estimated construction budget. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions regarding any aspect of this project, please contact Brian Roth Raffi. And have a great day!